awesome sauce. Awesome sauce. Now I mustn't forget to do this. Amazing. One thing at a time. Nope. I'm gonna be working today. Yeah, maybe. Maybe things are gonna decide that they're gonna work for me. Maybe not. One way to find out. Let's give that a second. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. I feel like I'm missing things. I feel like I'm missing a few things, but it's fine. It is what it is. Okay, winning. One step at a time. Da, 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 da. Ah, I spelled that like a numpty. There we go. And here we go. Done. Are we done? We're done. Done. Hey, Mackenzie, what up? Right. Oh, well, it is what it is, Mackenzie. Roshan, I'm trading New York. Oh, Roshan. So I actually started with the New York sessions, to be honest. I then moved to the London sessions, but I started with the New York sessions. New York sessions theoretically used to be my baby. Hey, Ellipses, what up? And some guy, how's it going? How's work? I hope it was amazing. Just gonna scoot things here. Jean, how are you? How's it going? How's everything going? What time is it in South Africa? It is exactly, wait, I'll tell you, 17 past 4 in the afternoon. Yeah. How's the time looking for everyone else? Three. Okay. No work Mondays. Wait, what? Is that right? Ellipses, you're alive. That's valid. Ellipses, how's the work going, by the way? Is the project calming down, or is it just getting worse? Sinatra, hi, how are you? No work Monday. Ellipses. In Windhoek. Ah, cool, Mackenzie. Look at you go. 3:18 p.m. East Coast, so 9:18. Okay, John, so you're about to just start your day, which is exciting. We have got this. We've got this today, right, guys? So I had 2 trades this morning during the London session. Both of them were very, very frustrating. Both of them were break-even trades. And when I say frustrating, I mean so frustrating. So frustrating. So the first trade, whoopsie daisies. First trade, you can see a beautiful entry in, up. Missed my TP before dumping, but luckily I was break-even. This one is so frustrating. This one is probably the worst. Literally ticked in, down, down, quickly up. I was at break-even. Maybe my break-even was too large. Maybe that's on me, but took me out of break-even and then just dumped and would have hit my TP. That sucked. That was not okay, but it is what it is. You know, point is, I mean, I'm $41 up for the day. Hey. So I guess, yeah. Hate clients like these expanding scope of work, but means more money anyways. Ah, ellipses, I guess that's true. I guess it's just one thing after another then. I understand that completely. And then you think you've completed, oh, yeah. I understand. I understand. Yeah, no, it is better than a loss. It's just frustrating, especially the second one. Like I said, to be fair, both of them were, because the first one was this close to TP before it just dropped down, and the second one was just rude. The second one was actually just rude. Ellipses, the problem is I always do too much for comms. I make it a little bit too large with regards, because I try and make up for comms so that if it does take me out, it's not in the red. But I didn't zoom in enough, so it looked like it was only this much, but it was not only that much. So that, yeah, 100%. That one was on me. It shouldn't have been that big. It shouldn't have gotten me. But unfortunately it did. Which, like I said, felt really, really rude. This one's always the worst part of business. Some guy, I love that. It's valid, but... Okay, so it has now officially taken out the Asia low. So, do we think it's going to want to continue to the buy side? Because everyone was convinced this morning that it was going to continue buy. Or are we just going to continue on this trend down? What do we think, guys? Trade with the cash. What up? How's it going? RP, welcome back. How are you? How's the rest of your trading day been going, by the way? Oh, really, Akash? Why? You know, I guess when you're right, you're right. Right? Mackenzie, you feel like it'll move up in lunch. Interesting. Hey, DK, what up? How are you? Madzia? Hello. Hello. Oh, trade with the Kush. I'm excited. That's going to be awesome. Are you excited? I'm excited. Trade with the Kush. How can you start futures? Any difference from CFD? Well, okay, I haven't traded CFD, so wait, let's ask the group, shall we? Anyone who has traded both CFD and futures, is there any difference or not really? What are the thoughts on that? Sorry, I can't really give an opinion because I haven't traded CFD. Random guy, liquidity sweep? I don't know. I thought, my prediction was that it was going to come down and grab Asia high before potentially going back up. Let's see, we can't be too stuck on bias though, right? If it's continuing low, we go with the trend. Right now, trend is friend and trend says we go down. So, we go down. Until stated otherwise, we go down. I must also double check the higher time frames, but let's just wait for opening. We have a few minutes left. Let's wait for opening. Let's see what opening has to bring us. Let's get this Monday started. Oh my god, I not expect some sort of service in return. Exactly. Hey, Tommy! Good evening from Sweden. That is so cool. Hello from South Africa. How's it going? How is Sweden today? 25164. You say probability to get hit in the first 15-minute. Good luck. Oh, thanks, Rip. How are you doing, Rip? By the way, let's make a rip mark. 25164. There's Rip's mark. Cool. I just took out overnight lows. Oh, thanks, Adam. You're so sweet. So CFD has all the sessions visible, but futures are based on New York time. Okay. New market, but it's quite expensive. You need at least $3,000 capital. Interesting. 856 the value gap, 850 sell side. Ayo Geordie, how are you? How's it going? Geordie, let's focus. What are we focusing on? Just everything. You're right. Focus, right? It's just focus. Geordie, you excited to come down to the KZN side of life? Or not really? Also, are you flying? Oh, okay guys, well, Sir Geordie has spoken. We need to focus on trading, so no smiling, no laughing. Okay, let's all just... What did they make us do as kids? We had to do this. Or hands on our heads. I can't actually remember. I can't remember what we had to do in school to make us stop talking. But here we are. Only crying. Oh damn, I laughed. Oh no, guys. Geordie's gonna yell at me. I laughed. See, this is the problem. If you say no smiling and no laughing, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna smile and I'm gonna laugh. It was always a problem, even in school. They're like, be quiet. Naturally, I found everything hilarious as soon as they said that. Mark myself present. I fly and I literally mark myself present. Geordie, yeah, that makes sense, I guess. I was gonna ask like, when are you fly, but that here, maybe that's like too personal. I was gonna say I can wave at you in the air. Game time, 9:30 to 10:30 is prime time. You're right. Prime time to cry, hey, Demonte? A little bit, just a little bit, Geordie. Hot P what? Do I want to know what that means? Apple butter! How are you, by the way? Let 9:30 do the damage, see if you can go above it and hunt the 50% of the government first 15 minutes. Easy. Don't I cry every day because I'm not a multi-millionaire and I cry when I become a multi... That's valid. Boom. Hey, Socket Mart, what up? Tony, what am I actually doing? Well, right now, I'm waiting for the New York market to open. That's it. We got 3 minutes to go. So waiting for New York market to open. I don't like being in a trade when the market opens. I don't know about you, but no thanks. So I'm waiting to see what's gonna happen. Apple butter, you're kind of tired. I get that. Why are you tired? We will be. You know what, Geordie? When you're right, you're right. I'm a multimillionaire. Akash, your buddy here. Hey, joy of travel. It's going good. It's going good. You know what? I can't complain. Had 2 trades this morning. Both will break even, but still, you know, nothing lost. And at least I was more confident with my trades. So, one thing at a time. Apple butter. Also, why are you tired? My sleep hasn't been great. Allergies. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Friday 10:25. The value gap really important. Rambo, I'll have a look now. Hey Zubair, how you doing? How's it going? Okay, let me quickly wait. What time is it? Before I get too excited. Okay, no, let's wait for opening, then I'm gonna double check the higher time frames and then we'll go from there. I want to say... No, let's wait and see. I was gonna say, for some reason, I have a bit of a bullish bias, but... Stick with trend, right? Trend is friend, and right now, trend is going down. Okay, well. Still down, but for the volume we see here. Nope. There we go. Damn. That's good to hear you. I just got home from work now and it's time to do some trading. Nice! Joy of travel! That is amazing! Note, if London reversed after sweeping, it's usually a What? Geordie, are you serious? I didn't know that. Ah, thanks, Geordie. See, every single day I learn something new. It's absolutely insane. It's awesome. Looks bearish, maybe. Yeah, apple butter. Well, hopefully it's not sideways. We can only hope, though. You're in 2 trades. One is in Nasdaq and... Oh, nice. Okay. Are you in a short on Nasdaq, Zube? Could happen, to be fair. Full profit forex trading. Hey, Tamish. I'm up $41. Because I had 2 trades, both were break even. Ellipses, like you said, maybe I was a little bit greedy with the second. I don't even know if greedy is the right word. I made it too large for the comms. Okay. Okay. Cut a low for our point and thought I would take Witsa. So what's your aim with this trading business? Rick Knight. I guess my aim is pretty much the same as everyone else's. You know, freedom. Financial and life? Yeah, maybe that's, I hope that kind of makes sense. You know, basically freedom from having to work for someone else. You know, you work for yourself. Financial freedom, hopefully you're profitable enough that you are comfortable. I don't want to be here making millions. It would be nice not to go paycheck to paycheck and struggle at the end of the month, if that makes sense. Merc? Hey, Merc! Wait, I gotta point fingers at Merc. No, I'm joking. How's it going, Merc? Apple butter sideways wouldn't surprise me. Yeah. Pro tip. So first presented gap and London reverse. 2 down, 83 to go. Yep. I should have maybe taken note of the first presented, which is this one. Okay. First presented. Here we go. Boom. There it is. And it's, to be fair, it's a little bit of an inverse one as well. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's see what these plans are. I'm gonna go just have a quick look at the higher time frames. Oh no, do you know what? Oh, it doesn't matter. I'll do that later. Okay, 5 minute, 15 minute. Let me just close everything for a second. Anyway, let's see. Okay, 1 hour and... Sorry, close your eyes. I did not mark this. First level here. Just gonna make a little mark there. Sorry. Close eyes. There we go. Done. And sorry, I say close eyes because it's absolute chaos. And 4 hour looks like we still want to stay bearish. Interesting. Okay, back to the 1 minute. Let's see. Now things can go back. Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! Anyways, lots of buyers down there. It was like perfect timing. Exited due to the FOBO. Oh, nice, Marok. Okay, when did I start my trading career? Foreigner. I'm just gonna call you foreigner. I started my trading career in April. And how much am I staking in my average trades? Rick, I risk around $200 per trade. Apple butter, that is the dream. Oh yeah. Hamid, what's up? How's it going? Only Friday, fair value gap. It's important. Focus on the first minute fair value gap. Yep. It's not that one? Oh damn, you're right. I mean, it kind of creates this, hey? So it's just a little... No, wait. Jordy, that is minute. Does that count? Jordy. 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 This itty bitty. The itty bitty baby. No, that doesn't count. How's that not the first one, Jordy? Now I'm confused. That's 28. Here's half past. This is 31 past. Zubair, boom, first TP done, nice. Oh, I've missed a lot of messages. I apologize. Celestial, what's up? How's it going? Skeletor, I feel like I've missed a joke. What's the difference between weather and climate? You can't weather it, but you... there, and, oh, right into Rip's level. Within the first 15 minutes. Nice, Rip. Trade lot. It's the big one. You sell it to, and this is the buy. I hate ES sometimes. Why, Apple Butter? What happened? Did it run away without you? If you missed it, she's gone. Yep. Rip, was that the only level for today? Apparently. Okay, well, hit Rip's level properly. My family thinks something. Tabir, I mean, that's not great. Body's below that. So this move isn't the real trade. Mackenzie, you don't think so? Why though? I know the 930 isn't, but why is the 931 not the first presented? Out of curiosity, sorry if that's a dumb question, but is that just them rules? Is that the rule? So it's this one. Or was it just them rules? Okay, well... I did say I was a little bit on the bullish bias side today. I don't know why, but I was thinking, no, I do know why. It's because it took out the Asia low. So I thought it was bullish today, or going to become bullish. Oh, cheers, Celestial. Enjoy. Chats. Why? What happened? What happened, Celestial? Oh, okay. I feel like I've missed a bunch, but it's okay. It's okay. I'll start looking for shorts now coming into an area of interest. This was the NLOG the other day. I don't know if this has any importance anymore. I think it's finished. This was me checking out something. Little tap there. If it's drawn here, it could potentially start going back down. Yeah. This whole move just went bye-bye. You took the long? Nice. No, Jordy, you didn't miss anything. I mean, there was no entry for me. No entry for me at all, so it is what it is. Oh, thank you, V50573. The rip for me, it's enough that level, but yes, there are other targets, but I'm not interested for today. Okay, Rip, so you're done for the day? Place on 932, cleared the minor bicycle. Okay. Hey! DJ, what up? Hello, everyone. Put into my account. Do future. Okay, well here DJ's asking, I have 2.5k to put into my account. I want to do future micro commodities, so mostly micro gold, micro copper. Which broker would you recommend? Traders that I know in real life who are very good. Said IBKR. Anyone? Opinions on that? 7 AM, fair value gap hit. Nice. Yep, I'll go focus on other stuff now. Take. Oh, okay. Cheers, Rip. Enjoy. Nicely called. Rip, by the way. Very, very good. You think I'm a fan of the Bee Gees? Why? Socket not? Do I want to know? Marlo, what up? How you doing? Looks like sells. I'm going against my daily bias. Mackenzie, let's wait and see. Because potentially not, right? I'm still short bias though, just getting long in case she runs away. That, yep. John, you're shorting this. So potato microphone. Cool name, cool name. You don't really like IBKR, to be honest. Tradeovate isn't bad and can be used well and easily with TradingView. I guess, you know, at the end of the day, it depends on what you are looking for. I mean, there's a few really good prop firms out there. You know, profitable traders in real life, I would learn from them. But they have a good... Yeah, they do. DJ, like I said, there's a lot of really good prop. Also, are you looking for investing or... I'm assuming investing. That you can just put it there and walk away. Are you looking for day trading? What's your thing, DJ? What are you hoping for? Hasn't even tapped into there, but here we go. Bam. Bam. Awesome sauce. That's too large. I'm waiting to see if it comes back down to this level. Oh my goodness. Oh, flip. Please don't say that was the move and now we're just gonna consolidate and be annoying. Because that'll suck. That'll really, really suck. And I am, so the goal for this week, guys, I have a goal for this week. The goal for this week, sweet and simple, just be more confident with my trades. Like last week, I missed a few really good trades and they were A+ setups and I didn't take them because of lack of confidence, which is a problem. I missed one this morning that would have been a win, but at least I took 2 other trades that were A+ setups. Unfortunately, both break even. It is what it is. My A+ setup lost today. No, trade with the cash. I'm sorry. Jean, you think here comes the dump? My funded bro produces trader and I've a personal account with them. What happened? Mackenzie, I guess it depends on where you are located as well. Like if you are a fellow South African like me, you are not always allowed to use all of the brokers. You know, unfortunately South Africa is on some of the banned lists. So if you are from South Africa, you can have a look in my description below. All of those are good to go for South Africans, so that's quite cool. No, not investing. More of a swing trader hybrid. Okay, my trades could last seconds or hours, but I'll never leave it over a day. Ah, okay, DJ. So then I guess DJ then also, like I said, depends on where are you at and what are you hoping to get out of it. Like I said, so I'm currently using Top 1 futures. I've heard mixed reviews about it. But I'm curious about potentially going to funding ticks because, unlike most, funding ticks only requires 2,500 instead of 3,000, so that's quite cool. And hey Choi, you think this is gonna pump from here? People will only listen when you show them your Lambo. I don't have a Lambo. I have an expensive horse. Does that count? Horses are expensive. And they cost money while while you're sleeping. It's worse than a freaking Lambo. Really, Potato? You're in England, I want money. John, you were wrong. Oh, don't worry. It happens. Ooh, okay, Potato. It's always quite difficult to always predict this. Like, this is not an A+ setup at all. This is a terrible, so I'm not going to take this because this is a shocking setup. Unfortunately. Because maybe it works out, but it's not A+. So I'm not going to take it. Okay, I'm actually getting a little bit chilly. I might quickly run and grab a jersey. It's cold. Damn. I can't believe I'm getting cold. That's so weird. That's weird. Namibia is accepted virtually every... Seriously, Mackenzie? Huh. Interesting. Yeah, no, South Africa, not everywhere. Opening a New York Scalp Trader Pro. Okay, no, I've been moved perfectly from... Oh, nice, Knight. Well done, that's amazing. Going to take again. Damn, Unknown, what's up? Calm down. What happened? Hey, Raphael, how you doing? Yep, still just running away. That's not very nice, is it? This is starting to look better. if it goes a little bit higher, except for the fact that it might take out some relative equal highs. Is this going all the way up to London high? No ways. No ways. What the heck? If it is, that's impressive. Sorry, I'm trailing this because I'm curious to see if it comes back to hit this 50, and if it does, it respects it. Sorry if I spoke too fast there. Have I seen any penguins in South Africa? I haven't, DJ. I actually haven't, which is quite sad. I mean, unless you're talking about I'm assuming you mean wild penguins. Celestial, do I think this is random? No. Why? Oh, of course, Raphael. 3, 4, 5. Some ultra tracing and a break scripting. Then I'll change my mind. Yeah, Raphael. Well, I mean, I'm trying. Trying, being the keyword. Yeah, London session, we wanted to see if it dropped from. This now becomes potential for that to happen. Oh, damn. Okay, Knight. Interesting. Celestial, why do I say... What, that the markets aren't random? Is that what you're asking? Knight, 340 area. That's insane. That's insane though, Knight. That is insane. Hey Faisal, what's up? Yeah, wild penguins. I wonder if they're up next to you in traffic or something. DJ, I mean, that would be hilarious, but I'm not gonna do that to a penguin. Oh my gosh. Okay, took out relative equal highs. Not taking anything there. Still gonna go higher, I think. Well, no. Let me not say I think. This is not an A+ setup. This is like a B at best. Jordy, hell yeah, I would love a sandwich, please. Thank you, thank you. Forget this, go play Call of Duty. Why? Bring some. No, Celestial, we can't. It's Monday. Looks like back down to 200. Then back up. I mean, would have potentially been my decent-ish set. Well, like I said, it had 2. I would not call this an A+ setup. Clearly neither with the charts. Look, it just didn't listen. Kidding. Obviously, the charts don't care what I think is an A+ setup, but moving on. And those are some hectic wicks down. Got some major liquidity here. Expect a little bit more of a yeah, no, I wouldn't be super happy entering there. Night, if we do end up London highs and then flip back, it'll be dropping very low. Then the yesterday's low. Okay. Oh, thanks, Apple Butter. It's really hard. It is really, really, really difficult. Now that my VWAP did its little thing of moving, which I hate when it does that. Yeah. Oh, cheers, Celestial. Enjoy. Hard not to get FOMO. It is so difficult. Watching this market right now, I'm like, I could get in on this. I could get in on this. Hey Bob, how's it going? How are you doing? I need 779 on ES to be confident in London highs. Where's True, my good luck charm? Oh, that's actually a good point. Where is he? Jody, where is he? Night in 4 minutes, hourly and 4 hourly candles about to close, a new candle about to open. Oh, damn. Bob, only well. How was your weekend? Anything super crazy happen? Ellipses you don't like? What don't you like? This trade, I agree. Nothing about this. Yeah. I agree. Okay, today's word. It's because USA government is open finally, or manipulation is happening, or trips into new candles wick out on one side and then flips. Oh, night. Okay, that makes sense. If this does now hit TP. No, I can't be salty about it. Can't be salty about it. Hey Michael, what up? How are you doing? Oh, I was cold. Okay, wait, actually, give me a second, guys. I'm gonna grab myself a jersey. Maybe... Let's see. I'm gonna go grab myself a jersey quickly. It's getting a little bit chilly and I'm a very big baby when it comes to the cold. So, give me 2 seconds. I would suffer in the snow. I would suffer so much. Hello. Ah, I see it was messing around right by my entry. Well, my entry. Let's see if it would have worked or not. Naturally, because I didn't take it, it probably is gonna work out. But I guess it is what it is. Let's see. Sorry. Like I said, I get real cold. Stop loss. But no, I'm just a big baby. I am, like when I say I'm a big baby with the cold, I am such a big baby with the cold. It's probably not even 12 degrees outside. Your entry matches with my strategy. We'll see. Okay, potato. Nice, I like it. Like I said, unfortunately, I didn't take this. I haven't taken it. I could still put... No. You know, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Just a little bit risky this time of day. Like Nike said, right? Could do some crazy stuff now. So let's just wait for confirmation. It took out equal highs. I expected a little bit of a bigger pullback. Here we go. Devontae, take it, what? Hey, Uthman, what up? Go ahead. Jordy, 780. What about 780? What's happening? Trading is probability. Yes, it is. Hey, Nico Trades, what's up? How's it going? I feel like I missed something. Jordy, what's happening with 780? Oh, on this side. My bad. I was so confused. I was like, what? Boom! How are you? How's it going, Boom? How you doing? Did I mean jacket? Yes. Art, apparently. Yes. Jersey. I walked in and I saw the jacket and I was like, jacket wins! So I'm gonna wear a jacket. Sorry. John, you still in your short from... Oh, damn, okay. I need to close above 780 on ES. It's still in the... Oh, you're still in the long... Oh, damn, Jordy! Okay. Otherwise, invalidate. Okay, got it. Okay, looks like my buyer's predictions are wrong. It will sell hard. Well, Mackenzie, and boom, that would have been a loss. Thank heavens I listened to my rules. I don't think you guys understand the temptation to take this trade. The temptation to take that was really, really high, but I didn't have my confluences at all, so it is what it is. Yeah, Mackenzie, you think it's now gonna start selling hard? Boom, how's your day looking? Don't mind me, I'm taking a gen pain because my head feels like it's about to explode. So don't mind me, I'm not taking anything weird, it's a gen pain. Or you guys think I'm doing weird things. Promise. I think some guy is really hard. It's so hard. Okay. I hate taking medication so much. What? Boom? Holy moly. What? Whoop whoop boom. Share the love, my man. What the heck? So drinks are on Boom for the rest of the month. Got it. Thanks, some guy. It's sometimes really hard. Oh, interesting. Sorry, I'm starting to do where I trace a full range and see if it respects the 50% still. If it's to the freaking tick. Let's see if this goes up. If I hit TP, I'm making... Damn, Jean, damn! That's pretty good. Yeah, if you look at 50-minute meta MS. Need that 24961. 24961. Okay, okay. Down here, right by that point. Okay, John. Nice. Wow, apple butter. Yep, wow, indeed. Geordie, break even? No, I'm so sorry, but break even's better than nothing. Right? Maybe it's just a break even day for us, Geordie. Of 25. It's going down, I'd say back to what? Demonte? Try that again. Back to where? Where are we going? Okay, let's wait for some confirmation, please. If we can confirm things, that would be just a dandy. Please and thanks. Please and thanks. How big is this? Oh my gosh, why are these moves so massive today? What the heck? What the hair diddly day? Itchy, itchy. Okay. Sorry, I know I'm being ooper duper weird today. We're gonna roll with it. It's because my head hurts, so everything is just woohoo. Let's do this. Aw, thanks for the new subscriber. I wanted to hit Ricky. I was on the vertical street. Ah, Geordie. Be better. Come on. Break even over a loss. No, 100% some guy. But still don't want it. I definitely don't want to kick in that. Oh gosh. You know, when you're right, you're right. That was a great analogy. 100% ellipses. That was amazing. I'm really proud of that. No, it was so cool. Now I'm in the red with gold. Oh no, Mackenzie, no! I'm so sorry. What's gold doing? Hey, Stan! Good morning from Canada. Good afternoon from South Africa. I know I'm in a very big jacket. It's probably warm. You'll probably be here sweating. Because I know Canada gets super cold. And I'm busy complaining because there's a breeze. I'm just a big baby when it comes to the cold. Yeah, you know what? Some guy has a point. Geordie, did you press the like button? If not, I don't make the rules. Neither does some guy. Yeah, some guy, that was impressive. Nice. I like that. And look at it going to the first presented fair value gap. I mean, it bounced off of this, but it didn't come back and continue up. I'm gonna delete that. I feel like this just keeps getting bigger and bigger. And it just keeps running away from me more and more. And it's so rude. Jean, you're still in this, right? Mr. Short here on ES. Oh, no, apple butter, what happened? Was it your correct strategy, though? Ooh, okay, Jean, damn. Well held, by the way. Well held. Little tap in there. Okay. Well, I'm hoping it will be an inversion. Yeah, Mackenzie, let's see. I feel like I just need a little bit of confirmation. Wait. Yeah, that's actually okay. Okay, let's see. Hey, Ogan, what up? Need to follow up. So, I'm sellers. I'm taking off some risk. Hey, Ogan. Probably not. Stopped out for 500. Ah, that's still really good though, Jean. Well done. Whoop whoop, indeed. Fibonacci, the laser. I'm using the GAN box if that's what you're asking of me. Are you asking what I'm using? Okay. Wow. Just wow. So I'm just gonna hide everything. Let's check the higher time frames for a second. Okay. 15-minute. Sorry, I know I was real quiet there. Maybe. Apologies. Many apologies. My bad. Minute. 1 hour. I know it's just weird when I focus. I get it. I get it. It's weird for me too, guys. Doesn't happen all the time, but we're going with it. Have I marked this out? If I haven't, I'm an absolute fool. Because this is freaking good. I'm a fool. There we go. Marked out now. And 40. Okay. Back to the 1 minute. Let's do this. Being patient is such a pain in the butt. Now some buyers show up, yeah, 100%. Stop down. Archie. Apple butter, are you in this? What's happened? What's happening, apple butter? Speak to me. Okie dokie, Tom, you do you. Looks like a great buy, to be honest. Rana, meh. I'm not convinced. I say that, and my bias was bullish going into this, but let's see. For a trader, you're pretty focused. Am I? Rashi? Good, I think, right? It's not good to be focused, but it was good to be focused. Popping back in, taking 1 micro. Short again, Jean? You need to see a sell candle overtake the bull candle in 1 minute. I'm happy that this is slowing down a little bit. But again, this just feels Maybe if I do one contract. Even then, yeah. Ogan, I did not reply. I'm sorry. What did you say? JK, don't listen to me. Don't worry, Father. Barbara, no. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. English, and it's only Monday. We're doing great. We're doing just great today, guys. What about BTC? What about it? I'm not in here. It's right at the point of control on ES. Okay, cool. Apple butter. Nice. Mohammed, what up? What? Verona, we're all just trying to figure the markets out together as a nice community, right? Well, I like to think we're a nice community. We have our days. Monday's just brain warm up. Demai, you'll be fluent in English tomorrow. Thanks, some guy. I freaking hope so. Looks like gold and Nasdaq are no more moving the same. Are they moving opposites again, Mackenzie? I know for a while they moved opposites. So we're back to being opposition of each other, if you will. Some guy, by the way, yes, I really, really hope so. Today's just a warm-up, guy. Today doesn't count. I'm sticking with it. I'm sticking with it. Just today doesn't count. Damn, okay. Well, it didn't go up. Wouldn't have tagged me in regardless. A bummer, dude. Oh well. Yes, I just said bummer, dude. We're going with it. We're going with it. This time guy, I love that. Foreigner patience is key. Yes. Looks like decision time. Big cluster of short liquidity at 98500. Oh, actually, I haven't even asked. Some guy, have you gotten in a trade? What's up? What's happening? What's happening with you and your trades this week? What's the plan for you this week? But I won't long. If it doesn't consolidate, a bit will fall. Yeah, patience really, really is. I must say, I do have sometimes a really good giggle. I can see who's amazing and part of the community and who's not. Because some comments, people are like, oh, doesn't even trade. I'm like, yeah, I'm not gonna trade every single session. I used to, and that's when it was just not great. That's when I was doing really, really bad. Now I've learned that patience really does pay. You have to wait for your A+ setups. Only take your A+ setups. Don't be dumb. Lack of a better word. That sounds bad, but you know, just don't be dumb. Take the correct setups. Don't just get in because you have FOMO. If you don't trade the whole week, okay, maybe a week's pushing it, but you get what I mean. It's better than taking silly billy trades. I'm doing looks horrible. You only trade on the 5 minute. Really, Farron? You only trade on the 5 minute? Nice. Apple butter, really? Is it hot that side? That is hilarious. Okay. Mohammed, what? 50, yep. Mostly 15 or 30 minutes. Nice. It's a mental thing. Apple butter, that is hilarious. Maybe not hilarious. Let's not say hilarious, but let's rather go with that is super duper interesting that it's making you feel that way. And I wonder why. Like I said, I'm just always cold. So even when I went for the shark cage diving, like I said, unfortunately there were no sharks, but still, I'm there, everyone else is chilled, I'm there like dying to the point where the dude driving the boat was like, take this! And he gave me a jersey because he was feeling that bad for me, and I was like, okay, cool. Don't know if this is embarrassing or not, but we're going with it. Okay, we've officially tapped into the first presented fair value gap now, though. So I'm watching to see if we get something good. Was that it? I was expecting a little bit more. Maybe not. These levels are slapping today. Bob? Good slapping, bad slapping? You happy with the slaps or are they mean slaps? If I'm in profit, you'll celebrate with a slice of chocolate cake. I mean, I am in profit, theoretically. I'm up $41. And I ended last week being up $1,100, which is not bad, right? Brona. Back to the transfer. Thinking maybe we get a relief rally. Longer BTC has been down until relief. Short, lower, high around. Ooh, okay, some guys. Sorry, I know I'm very late with reading this. Apologies. John, you're still holding? Okay, use 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 week, sometimes 3 minutes and 50 minutes. Alvin, do you do more swing trading or day trading? I need to see the candle go through the first fair value gap. Okay. Before you consider it. The FOMO in me was like, just take this. But that's not an A+ setup at all. This would be better. You can hear by my voice that it's not good, is it? Yeah. Not. Nope. Like I said, this is not bad. I could maybe go in for one contract. That's very, very bullish. Rashi, go for it. Have some chocolate cake. Go and enjoy it. Can I get a whoop? Only True Trader, whoop whoop. Whoop whoop for Only True Trader. Only True Trader Jordy was waiting for you, just by the way. More swing daily is most important to look at. Really, Foreigner, you think so? Jean, you're out. Up 600 for the day. Ooh, nice, Jean. Well done, though. That is awesome. Hey, Papa Trife, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, so I guess it's not a pair. Up 4 hours today. Damn, this is enough for the week. Oh, Only True Trader. What? That is amazing. Well done. Have you posted it on Discord? I need to like do the fire emoji because that is so freaking cool. Well done. My bad. Already else having PC problems. Just have to go buy a new power supply. Damn, Only True Trader. That sucks. I'm sorry. Damn PCs being a pain in the butt sometimes. I can't be sad. I can't be. Let's try that one again. Can't be upset about not taking a trade that was not A+. I need to just repeat that. I did take 2 trades this morning. I missed a really good one. That one was on me. That was the confidence. But I still took 2 trades this morning. They were break even, but still. They were both this close to being winners before it went nope. Today order blocks aren't holding a thing, right? I mean, I'd argue this one did a good job. But this, yeah, no, this just went... That just laughed at everyone. Hey, Jordy, you're back. Okay. Wait for breakout, Othman. Done for the day. Oh, is it Yo Capital? This just kind of looks like it's a little bit rangy right now, which is also not ideal. Like I said, I know for some people this is probably ideal trading conditions. For me right now, I'm not loving any of this. No proper setup for me currently. I know it's still early. I mean, is it? Nearly been here an hour already. Damn, guys, time flies when you're having fun trading. I must say, time do be flying. Let's check out the higher time frames again. Let's go check out 5 minute. $15. Okay. And 4 hour. Oh, that's not nice. That's not nice. This is really not nice. Why? Why do we look like this? Stop that. You have a little doji like that on the 4 hours, not. Dagnab it. Okay. 1 hour. Put the chaos back on. Oh my gosh, wait, I should have reset before I did that. My bad. Sorry. Sorry. Wait. Is this... I was going to say bear flagging, but I don't know if it is bear flagging. Is this bull flagging? Sorry, I'm really bad at the flags. Wait. Hey Thomas, how you doing? Where you been? How's it been going? I'm getting ready to go to sleep for a bit. Oh, nice, Art. Probably a good idea. I shorted that 5 minute, 50 minute high, swept liquidity, and formed a 6 tap file. So Thomas is having a good day. That's good. Looks like someone bought a lot, then dumped it. Hey, Gregory Stevens. Went too light today, so no major gains. 5 hour day, risking 100. You know what, Thomas? Are you coming here with your complaints? Push. Today's price action is like last week's Friday price action. Your capital actually not wrong. Yeah, a little. Yeah, no, you're right. Gold was amazing in the last. Oh, Othman, that's good. So you've been having a good week. Flags onto real trade. Yeah, I guess it depends on the person. Some people swear by the flags. I just sometimes use it as maybe a potential indicator of which way we could be going. If you get a break above my 5, take it long. It's going to go down to the price before the sunrise. Isn't it so funny how everyone sees things? I know I've said this all the time. But everyone really does see the market so differently. Literally 2 sentences. Someone saying it's going to go up, and then someone saying it's going to go down. Open a paper trading account with, but I can't connect it with TradingView. I'm trying to log in. DJ, do you have the correct everything? I'm not sure. What if it be? But I wasn't even looking at my trade, so I got lucky. Oh, damn, only true trader. Whoa. Well done. Well done. Yeah, DJ, that's valid. Hey, Ivan, what's up? How's it going? Barna, don't connect with TradingView. Why? DJ, I don't know if I have the correct everything. That's valid. I'm sorry. That was also the most least. No, that was the least helpful thing I've ever said in my life. Do you have the correct everything? What does that even mean? I apologize. That was no help at all. Let's see if this would have worked out. Like I said, unfortunately, this was just too big for me to take. Nearly 60 points. This would have been TP. If it would have worked, then cool. It just kind of looks like it's in a bit of a range now. Let's see if it actually gets out of this range. That would be nice. Just saying. Hey, Gaunt. I feel like I've butchered that completely. Anyways. Yes, this is Nasdaq. This is the Nasdaq futures. How you doing? Short opportunity here. Yeah, 60 points is like 120 with 1 micro. But that's not... Damn it, I should have just done 1 then. No. Indicators in on TradingView, I can't get them. Trading 2 and trading your platform where your account is. Damn, Othman, I'm sorry. That really sucks. Let's see a little tap into this first presented fair value gap again. You gonna make up your mind? Nope. Not yet. And now Boom's yelling at me. Oh my goodness. Because I don't like what it's doing here, Boom. I don't like that it's doing this at all. Driving me a little bit loopy. Going all the way down, jumping all the way back. All the way down, jumping all the way back. It's pinballing between these two. Barna, you really think so? One, two. Hey, Mike G, how's it going? USD just shifted down. Every time I read POC, I don't read what it actually means. Anyways. Ivan, what's my risk to reward ratio? 1 to 2R. Nope. Don't like that. We got the win and bro wins. We win for South Africa. There we go. Jordy, now you're just speaking of facts. If only True Trader won, we're all winners here, right? South Africa presented, not by me today. Well, I say that. I'm up $41. That's not something, right? It's something. It's a little something, but it's something. Hey, GX, how's it going? Anyways, Jordy, are you looking for anything else? Or not really? You were, oh gosh. GX, can't complain. Are we still selling? We are kind of ranging right now, in all honesty. I don't want to say it. I'll have to send you a message. No, I'll have to send you a message. I can't say it on a live stream. When it does this look for liquidity sweep so far, I've missed that. Mackenzie took the sell side. Sorry, that was a very big sigh. I apologize about that. Apologies for the massive sigh. I'm waiting for Boom to yell at me again. Because it's most likely going to come soon. Yep, it's going to come soon. It feels like if it hits 25155, it's going up. Oh yeah, if it breaks above there, probably. Yep, I'm waiting for the yelling to begin. Oh, I'm waiting for the yelling to begin. I should have taken that trade. I should have taken that trade. That's the confidence that I need to be working on, damn it. I think the neighbors just arrived and they're just making all the noise. I had 1, 2, kind of, no. 3. Oh well. Ivan, the lot size, so I've risked $200. I thought I missed something. Foreigner feels very strongly about this, damn. You and DeMonte can have lots of discussions. Because he agrees with you. Hey, Abraham. It's okay. It's okay. Can't complain. I'm gonna complain a little bit soon, but right now, can't complain. Was this just the move and now we're gonna be ranging? Well, that's not very nice, is it? That's not very nice at all. Oh well. Anyways. How's the thumb guide? I feel like I've missed something now. Oh, good. Oh, yep, okay. There's about to be a massive debate on this. I'm trying to decide if I should say something or just let it happen. Are you guys keen for this debate about ICT versus other things, or... So, Jean, I wanted to... I don't know if I should maybe try place it again. This was the short. You know what, maybe I should just try place it again. I don't know if I'm too late on it. Potentially, I'm too late. I feel like I'm potentially too late. I know, Jean, it's the thing I even said this morning that I need to work on. I need to work on the confidence because I like this. I liked 1, 2, 3, and I even thought, yes, and I didn't take it. Which I know is on me, and that's the thing I need to work on the confidence. You could even see from this morning. Are you ready? Confidence. Take the trade. Yeah, even put a little 2 exclamation marks. So it's what I really gonna be trying so hard to work on that this week. So hard. Well, this would have been break even now. John, it's not even so much that. You know, I don't even know what it is because I'm fine with losses. I'm fine with them. I know it's part of it. And it is what it is, but... Need my cells to come through. Come on. Mackenzie, you look... Okay, cool. Little wicks there. You alone if you really want to win. Oh, thanks, partner. I mean, yeah, that's the plan, right? So again, I could have taken another trade here for a short, but I have also learned that when it's rangy, it's not worth it. For this reason right here. Okay, so this definitely would have been a break-even trade. It would. It appears that it's just a break-even day for me. And that is what it is. It's fine. This definitely would have been break-even. Again, break-even's fine. I'll take break-evens over losses any day. And this is why I don't like range. Oopsie. You only lose when you quit. Ooh, Verna, I like that. Or when you go homeless. Okay, DJ. There was the enthusiasm and then the damn. I feel like you're only gonna go homeless if you're gambling. Right? You have your capital, you stick to your capital. You should theoretically be trading with money. You are fine with losing. I'm trading the micros. Yes? MNQ? Yes. Sorry. Chippity chop chop chop. Exactly, Geordie. Which is why I'm just like, it's just not worth it if it's gonna be doing that. Bam, 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 bam. So I'm glad I didn't. you know, like I said, I think just FOMO is getting the better of me because, yeah. Have you only seen the jacket now, Geordie? I'm cold. I'm a baby. I'm a real big baby when it comes to the cold weather. No, it's choppy, hands off. It's just... it's not worth it if it's choppy. This would also be break even, just by the way. Mackenzie, entity for sale, please. This is risky if you want to. Mackenzie, what? Only true trader, I'm all ears. What is it? Hear me out, I got an idea. Why is inflation so bad if cash is not super essential these days? Haven't used cash in years, just debit card. Maybe a dumb question. Middleton, I mean, inflation, what? Bias looks like sells at the moment. Tony, I agree. But, being the key word here, right now it's just choppy. Okay, wait. Only true trader, what? Okay, so only true trader's idea is, for a celebration for the government opening, let's all, as a family, full port NFP on Thursday. Ranges are very difficult to trade. Yeah, foreigner, that's... where are you going? Why are you going there? You never go there. Sorry, it's my dog being weird. Range 1, identify range 2. Short, higher, long lows. 3, target liquidity. I've never been good at ranges. I know some people are amazing. I know Ricky. I don't know if Ricky's here. Ricky is amazing at trading ranges. Me, not so much. Shouldn't we Google jokes or riddles or something? Ooh, I like the riddles idea. Okay, go on, Geordie. Do you want to give us some riddles? I think riddles could be fun. Let's do some hectic riddles. And by the looks of things, this is headed for break even. No, maybe not. Depending on if I was a bit greedy again. Don't worry, I risk 1% or whatever. Oh, nice. What role does a magnet play in trading? Does it attract candles, for example? Often a magnet? You mean like... what do you mean by a magnet? People have different ideas of what a magnet is. Ivan, you would like green and red bars. No. There is. Let me a good old accumulation range. You gotta wait for the manipulation and then the distribution. Whoa. This is insane. People who are good at trading chopper, you guys super happy right now. Yeah, no, okay, cool. I'm a wait. Took losses on the ranges, done for the day. Tomorrow we go again. Yeah, your capital. Though one of the first things I learned. It was okay, said it, yeah. Said don't diddle in the middle. If it's rangy, wait. And like I said, there's some people who are amazing at trading the range. Well done. Well done to you. Me, not so much. I'm not great at it. Hey Wilson, what's up? Apple butter, I might have to start trading London. Why? Apple butter, what happened? Oh no, him, I'm so sorry. What happened? You already got it, brother. Not from trading a lot. He says that people out there trading making month and they still have no clue about what trading is. They just know buy, sell. I mean, so DJ, theoretically, this sounds terrible. Do not, this is, putting it out there, this is definitely not financial advice. Do not do this. But I mean, theoretically, flipping a coin could be a strategy. But that is gambling. You know, there's a difference between gambling and trading. Trading view and do those 3 steps. You'll see the ranges are awesome. Okay, wait. Some guy, I'll try. Some guy. I will try being the keyword there. Like I said, for some reason, I've never been good at it. That would have been a flipping stop loss as well. Buyers and sellers do agree on this price. I mean, nice. Southwest Carp Hunter, what up? How you doing? How's it been going? I would still be in this trade. This one here at the 50%. But I would still be in it. What do you call range as the market being in balance? Buyers and sellers do agree on this price. I mean, actually, I've never really thought of it like that, but it makes sense. Huh, interesting. Interesting how you can just shift the mindset of it. I like that. Yeah, flipping a coin, woohoo, do not do that. DJ, please don't do that. Mackenzie up 2k so far. Nice! Well done, Mackenzie. Whoop whoop for you. That is awesome. Have I ever thought about trading Forex? It's much easier to scalp on. Really? I've never looked at it. To be honest, I've never looked into it. So no. I'm spotting it, but it's a little tricky trading. Hey Jose, how's it going? You're so sweet. How's it going? Okay, Jordy, I'm ready for the riddle. It's a question all day long, but always get completely different answers, and yet all the answers will be correct. What is the question? Jordy, is the question what is the time? Or what time is it? Lukey, hey, Bull or Bear? I got Bear waiting for 1 hour confirmation. Ooh. I'm just waiting for it to stop being rangy, in all honesty. I was looking for a short. Yeah, you can see I had it set up. I just didn't take it, and Boom Banana yelled at me. I still would have been in this trade though, so What do you want to do? Laser accumulation, yeah. The Aussie dollar is your preferred instrument. Interesting. Am I right? Oh, damn, okay. It literally just popped into my head. Nice. Bam. Boom Banana, close the charts. Why? He's already worked today, Boom. Why are you saying close the charts? When Boom says close the charts, I get nervous. Why are you saying close the charts, Boom? Also, don't forget to like this stream, guys, or else, like some guy says, you're gonna have L's, and it's not my fault. It's the rules. We don't make the rules here, right? So, Lukey, you still waiting for your setup, right? So when it does lose, you barely feel it. That's crazy, up to 4 ones and 4 funded accounts. Damn, Lukey, well done. That's amazing. I don't, Jordy, I don't. Cracked, made, told, and played. okay, you got me there. Some guy don't make the rules. No, we don't make the rules here. It just happens. Boom just came on here, yelled at me, and left. Boom. I need answers. Where did Boom go? Boom. Boom Banana. See, I'm using your full name. It's not even Boom. It's not Boom Banana. Then you know. Then you know it's serious. I can be cracked, made, told, and played. Oh, you've got me on this one, Geordie. Made. I wanted to say something. Yeah, and now Boom's yelling at me again. Really? Is it a joke? And crack the joke. Is that right? Who knows? Might get rich off of this. Boom, I said, you can't just come in here and say close the charts and not explain why. Damn, okay. Nice, some guy. That was quick. Hey, Jose, what up? Lukey, I did think about it. Like on the MES. I did have a think about doing that. How's the New York session going, Jose? I mean, now it's just rangy. Here, it just ran away. No entries. This was the one entry I could have gotten. And I didn't take it, which is my bad. I guess I could have taken this short here. But again, it's just rangy. I don't personally trade in the range. I know for some people it's amazing and it works and they love it. Yeah. Not so much for me. Might short this now if we get a clean break. Nice. Gold been playing. Ooh, Mackenzie, what's gold doing? You just gotta do what I say. I don't think it works that way, Boom. Damn. Jose just trash. Wow. Targeting 961. Oh, still. Okay, so still targeting 961. I remember you're targeting that earlier. Lukey barcoding. Exactly. I say flatlining because it's kind of what I want to do when it does this. Now that I'm funded, I focus on ES. Interesting. I'll be outside singing Christmas carols. Hey, Agent G, what up? I think that is how it works. Is it though? Is it though? So Boom, are you still trading or are you done now? Yes, please, lower lows. Now for Bitcoin, what about Bitcoin? What the heck, Thomas? Why does Jordy get hot cocoa? I want hot cocoa. That sounds amazing. Boom, 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 boom. My goodness. Can we please stop ranging? Can we just do something? Do something, please. Got 1 minute to wake up. Let's go. Oh. Did it listen? I yelled at it earlier and it listened to me, so I thought maybe if I yelled at it now it would start doing what I wanted it to do, but potentially not. Sorry, I'm checking something. Nope, wrong one. Sorry, don't mind me. Just having a look at something. And it's from Bulanox. Ah, why? Finally breaking out? Question mark. Jordy, I am. I'm aware that I'm a baby when it comes to the cold. I am. Yeah. I didn't. Yeah, no, I didn't. Don't worry, I was looking. Apple butter. I'm an onion. Oh, think on my. Oh, that took a minute. I was like, apple butter, why are you an onion? Without looking up and realizing that it was one of those. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. This would have been a win. Would have been scary, but it would have been a win. Well, at least we've broken out of this now, so that's something. At least we're out of this for now. For now being the key word. Water tank resin. Moving my TP is making more money in total, basically. It goes into profit and I get another setup. I place my stop loss according to entry 2, let the profits run. Interesting. Interesting. Hey, Maurice, what up? Oh no, well, I mean, Maurice, it's afternoon for me. Like 6 p.m. here. Hey, Sweet Chin Music, what up? How you doing? How's it going? Thomas, I was just thinking that. Do we think this is manipulation before move up? I know Jean thinks it's gonna go down to, it was the 61 level, right? 961. This marker will go down. Wait, apple butter? Oh, Jordy, you got me excited. I thought apple butter had a winning trade. I was like, oh, yes. Hey, there. Sweet Chin Music, are you teaching us or are we teaching you? You're teaching me. I'm not a teacher yet. I've only been trading since April. I'm still new and figuring things out, which I know infuriates quite a few people. So it's also quite interesting to watch people get angry at me. Inverted fair value gap would be nice to close the AM session. Can I execute a short position now? That's up to you. Lukey, ever looked into it? I have not looked into that. I have not. Do you do a trailing stop loss or how do you do it though, Lukey? Need a clean break of the 30 setup. I don't to learn what because I enjoy it. Oh, thank you, Lukey. I really appreciate that. The open could have been the minute. Just buy all divided stock and create an income stream for yourself. Not divided stock, dividend. I am willing to long this though. Oh, thanks, Sweetchin. Well, apart from the fact that we're doing day trading. So not so much investing. We're talking day trading though. So Jordy, why are you willing to long this? Sugar honey iced tea didn't come up and get me. If it went up a little bit higher, this actually wouldn't have been bad. The This actually would have been a goodie if it had gone up a little bit higher. How rude. I like this setup. I was a bit slow though. I need to focus again. Focus. Why do you keep going there? What is out the window? What are you looking at? Okay, so sellers finally won, I see. That's cool, that's cool. What is there? What is it? Okay. Most of the volume is done for the day. Yeah, John, I mean, well, you say that. You say that. Look at it go. I trail manually. Let's say stop losses. Number 2 stop losses. Number 3 stop losses is +5. Okay, Lukey, that makes sense. So you keep watching it the whole time. So what I have been starting to do is I've been leaving one runner, if you will. I've been playing around with that a little bit. It's been working quite nicely. Because I'm insane. I mean, that makes sense, right? Ooh, okay, damn. Calm down. Looks like sellers are dominant. Yep. I might hit my TP. John, it kind of looks like it. Taken half off. I only have one confluence for this, so this is not ideal. Ugh, if only. It would have been quite a nice one. Oh well. Okay, now I must just remind myself not to chase. Part of me feels like this is... Oh no, it's just running away. Yeah. Goodbye. Wait for me. Oh, these wicks are scaring me a little bit though. I have 2. This isn't an A+ setup, it's like a B setup. I'll be willing to take capital at all costs. Not work on all methods and my numbers look way better. Valid. Okay, out for 300. Nice, John. Well done. Why did you decide to call it there, by the way? Oh, cheers, Lukey. Thanks for all that, by the way. I must have a look into it. Like, this is... This is okay. This is okay. This is not a great setup. Sellers are getting absorbed. Valid. Apple butter, still nothing for you, hey? Oh, here we go. Expected it. If okay, this wasn't an A+ setup, which is why I didn't take it. The bigger range would have been a lot better. Oh damn, there's a big fight going on here. What is going on? Moving on. Jordy doesn't. use CBD as a way to see who's winning. Oh, interesting. That makes sense. But wait. That would have missed me by a tick. Oh, maybe because... Oh, no, more than a tick. Cool. That would have been frustrating. Jordy... No, wait, Only True Trader. I'm assuming you're done, Only True Trader. Anyone else in a trade right now? How's it looking for you guys? DJ? Oh no. DJ, you can't see Apple Butter's comments. What? Can't you? Oh, DJ, by the way, sorry, DJ. I got 2 lives running at the same time. Vertical and horizontal, my shell. I lost my shell. So I have 2 lives running at the same time. I'm a 3K. Damn, far enough, well done. Selling gold, what's the bubble everyone is talking about? Maurice, is everyone talking about the bubble? No idea. What's the bubble everyone's talking about, guys? Damn. Agent G, you on oil? Nice. Only True Trader? Good. Probably a good idea. On hands, waiting to see what Bitty's going to do. No. Awesome, Sam guy. This is a bummer. I didn't set it up though. Like I said, this is not an A+ setup. It was like a B setup. Shoot, actually it was an A+. Either way, it didn't get me in. Three. Cells are still in a little bit of power here. Right, you've been in a trade since Friday, damn. Jordy, I really do. I'm so sorry guys, I'm squinting at my screen. I'm trying to concentrate hard on what's happening. Well, I mean, I wasn't wrong about the sellers being in control. Ooh, it took out liquidity on ES. Nice. But this trade wouldn't have tagged me in by a freaking tick. That would have sucked. That would have sucked. I should have held John. Yeah, but that's okay, right? Rather take your profit and be happy with what you've got. Imagine it went back up. Then you would have been happy that you closed in profit. One minute is very difficult. Maurice, yeah, that makes sense. It's hard to chat and trade. Yes, it is, Demonte, it is. You are correct, sir. It is not easy. And yes, I'm speaking like the olden days by saying tis. 24900 TP. Nice. What? Okay, Demonte. Okay. You'll never lose if you take profit. Exactly. Exactly. Hey, there's that level. Sorry, Sean. Sorry. I was gonna be like, look, it tapped your level, but that... No, it hasn't yet. Okay, now it has. It officially did. Sorry. Okay. So I'm so sorry, Sean. Yeah, that what the heck. But you know what? You can't say you didn't have a good trade and a good idea behind it. And you had a valid reason for closing early as well, right? Just taking liquidity. And this is going to be too big again, isn't it? Oh no, not bad. Yeah. Don't want to get in on this though. Now it's just taken out a bunch of liquidity. Popped in there. Okay. Exactly, John. You could hold to 24900. Oh, so Demonte. Noise. And I feel like I'm chasing a little bit, which is also not ideal. I'm looking at this. Potentially. I mean, 1, 2. Like I said, the problem is it's just taken out some liquidity. It could have a bit of a bigger retest further up. You don't know if paid brokers only invest in bullish markets, so do they also short them? Short them? Oh, nice, Mackenzie. Whoop whoop, that's amazing. Well done. I don't think... Maurice, I don't think so. Does anyone have the answer to that? I don't want to sit here and lie. So the question is, does anyone know if paid brokers only invest in bullish markets or do they also short them? Curious what happens if they short, who takes the excess risk above the invested amount. Right, apple butter, that's it. Like I said, I don't hate this one, but I don't love it. Hello! Hey, King Isaac, what's up? They short and long. Okay, foreigner, thank you. And it's to do with the spread, right? Is that the answer with regards to the excess? They follow the trend up or down. King Isaac, yes, I do scalp. That's valid. John, you know what, that's valid. And it's small enough that one contract doesn't matter that much. Except it looks like it's... Nope, it's not even going to go up that high before it continues back down. Never mind. I think the frustrating one was this trade. That was an A+. I know I didn't place it. That's the confidence thing again, guys. It is the thing I promise I'm going to work on throughout this week. It's what I need to work on. It's the confidence. I need to work on it. It is my goal for this week, okay? My goal for this week. However, if I had placed this trade, I would be raging right now because it missed the entry by like a tick. Just saying. Verona, I missed the sell. Aw. Okay, bye. Enjoy. Good luck. Have a good one. We broke low day. Yep. Shorting the stock sounds good. Maurice, yep. We can work on it together. Thank you, John. Thank you. Like I said, I am... Yeah. I am trying. It's the confidence. It's the confidence level. However, like I said, even if I'd entered this one, it would have missed me by a tick. Unfortunately, apart from this entry here, there were no entries for me today. No decent entries. I say that. Was this one also a miss? Yep, that was also a miss. It was either ranging or running away. So I guess it is what it is. Plenty of time to join the short. Yep. No. Bad. No. Can't look at it like that. However, you do have a point. No, bad point. Good point. Where's 900? 900's down here. Mother fluffer? Okay, whatever. Close enough. I think it's going to retest higher than I wanted to. Think less, react more, just go with it. Every signal you get, just take it. Diamante? No, no, no. King Isaac? No, not yet. I'm not profitable yet. I'm not here to pretend like I am profitable yet. I'm still new at trading. Oh, thanks, Sean. Yeah, need to. Too late to join, guys. Yeah, Mackenzie. We'll see. I'm gonna go back to sleep. Oh, okay, bye, Diamante. Foreigner, yeah. But that's what we're doing. We're here and we're learning. And I've learned from the mistakes of hopping in after it's grabbed liquidity for it to go higher up. I said theoretically this would be better. See, maybe I'm wrong and it goes back down now, but Foreigner, believe me, I have learned many a lesson, many a time. I don't know why I'm speaking so like olden day, but we're going with it. Ah, thank you, Mahota. I tried. I want this to be a very open and honest thing, right? Because I think the misconception with trading and why a lot of people think trading is a scam and is because a lot of people, obviously not everyone, but a lot of people tend to go on and say, oh, you're gonna make millions in like a week. And then the problem is people believe that and they start trading and they're not making millions in a week and they realize it's really hard. And then they give up, and that's why, what, it's 95, no, what was it? It's 95% of traders are not successful? Is that correct? It was ridiculous, right? Ron, what's impossible? Mula, it's done enough for the morning session. Mula, yep. There we go. 95, yeah. No, that's ridiculous. 98, what? Okay, let's stick with 95 because it doesn't sound so bad. Let's stick with 95. So if I'd done that, let's see, Sean. I think it might start going back up now, but I could be wrong and it's probably going to end up popping back down. And it is what it is. 2, 3. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. You have to love the business. Yeah, exactly. And I think, like I said, I think a lot of people have the misconception of this is a get rich quick thing. It's not. This is a lot of effort. You have to put a lot of time and freaking emotion. Well, it takes a lot to not be emotional. That sounds weird. Does that make sense? Like, it's hard to work against what you want to do, but you have to do it. So I feel like I'm rambling on a little bit now. Whoop, okay. Boom, thank heavens I didn't do that. See, sometimes listening to myself pays off. Like I said, I was potentially thinking this wouldn't be terrible. Looking at the buy pressure now, maybe not so much. That's like half of it, exactly. And it's exhausting. I don't think people understand, but having to mentally control yourself is insane. It is so much effort. I don't think it'll go up. Yes, it'll retrace. Muller, yeah. So because it took out quite a hectic liquidity zone, that's when I say normally the second range is better. This is a very big fair value gap that he's created now. So let's, oh my goodness. Alrighty then. Whoa. This range? What? That was, okay, that was a very, okay. Sorry guys, I know I didn't place any trades today. However, like I said, this just ran away from me. There was no entries up here. There's no entries going down here. This I missed. That one I missed. That one I should have taken. So that is on me. That one is on me. This one was still in the range. That wouldn't have tagged in. This wouldn't have tagged in, literally by a tick. This it had just taken. Okay, so actually, I missed my one trade. Hey, Karen, how many hours do I trade daily? 4 hours in total, around there. 2 hours during the London session and 2 hours, well, you know, 4.5 hours a day. And 2 hours during the New York session. Damn. Whoa. Okay, but on that note, I'm most likely going to close the charts. I've done my 4 hours and this now looks like it's going to do some very entertaining things. I'm going to call it there. I'll be back. Oh, I will be back. Wow. I will be back then tomorrow. Wow, this is just running away. Okay. Ellipses, no, that's valid. That's valid. I did take trades this morning where the market was a little bit better for me, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Apparently, yeah, I'm back. It looks like manipulation leg was pretty strong. Yep, came for external sell side liquidity and is distributing higher. Exact. Nice, Thomas. Yeah. I don't know why I'm saying nice, Thomas. Like, you're. See, I'm sorry. I clicked something. What's the most recent highs? Are we around the 150-ish area? Or are you looking for the proper high? Because that's around 254. Okay, but point is, I'm probably gonna call it there. Oh, Thomas, are you just gonna take one now? That's okay though. Yeah, I'm gonna call it there. It's just not working with me today, and that's fine. It is what it is. Hopefully tomorrow we get something good. Oh, cheers, Southpaw. Okay. Got it on the inverse value gap at the bottom. Okay. Calling it. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Yes, I'm wearing a very big jacket. It's just cold. Okay, I'm a baby. I love you guys. super duper madly, thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to like the stream, and if you want to show some extra love and support, all of the prop firms in my description below I'm affiliated with. So if you want some cool discounts, don't forget to use the code TEACHMAYA on any of the prop firms below. Okay, again, I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining me today. I know I got no trades in, but we had fun together. I love you guys madly. Thank you again for joining me. Thank you for being an awesome community, and I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully my headache's gone, then I'll have a bit of a better personality. I love you guys madly.